FYP-academy.
Creativity, simplicity, innovation, education.
PC keeps freezing after startup. How do I fix a PC that keeps rebooting and freezing? Inspect RAM, check H.D.D or hard drive, check for overheating, double check drivers, update BIOS, perform a clean system reinstallation. Freezing during startup. Freezing during startup may be a sign that your hardware is going bad. Hardware problems will damage data and stop your operating system from booting up. RAM is a common culprit or reason that can cause boot problems. As with your hard drive, RAM can be corrupted by malware or simply malfunction with age. Can a faulty power supply cause a computer to freeze? Even if you have a powerful computer with the latest processor, sufficient RAM, GPU and advanced motherboard, inadequate power supply or sudden power surge can cause computer freeze on next startup. Video. Watch this video to see how a weak SATA power wire could make dangerous problems to your H.D.D or hard drive and freezes your PC at a startup. In this video, you see a power supply that is an old power supply from the approximately first generations of power supply, in which supported SATA hard drives and we have a hard drive that needs a SATA supported power supply. The problem here was freezing PC on startup. I detached SATA power supply and supplied an power supply converter and used another IDE power supply with converter and you see here I connected it to the H.D.D because power supply self SATA wire was kind of weak, and I decided to detach it and not to use on this PC. And you see how this wire converter is connected to the power supply at one side and to H.D.D at another side. After this change and fix, the PC just worked safe, and there was just showing the problem on my display after I used an open H.D.D Sentinel diagnostic software tool, and you can watch how PC just recognizes this error and what tells about the real problem that was on the screen for this PC. And the cause of the problem was right. I showed you, and it was just fixed by changing SATA wire of the power supply. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, watch and share FYP Academy channel.